Why do you want to plant calendula in your garden when you're planting your garden? So many reasons, but calendula, here's a few reasons for you. Calendula repels the asparagus beetles. So put it near your asparagus and your asparagus will say, thank you. Now I don't have to worry about that asparagus beetle. Also, it loves to be near asparagus and tomatoes. Asparagus and tomatoes love calendula near them. It makes the tomatoes and asparagus thrive well. Also, calendula attracts a host of pollinators, not just your bees and your beautiful butterflies, but all kinds of pollinators. And the reason why it attracts so many different pollinators is because it has enough nectar to last for the whole season. Some plants only have nectar for a short time, but calendula has nectar for the whole season. So it's going to attract those beautiful pollinators that you need for your garden all season long. This is all part of one of my favorite things, companion planting. And you have a great day.